my wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Contempo cut wig by Gabor in the color GL4-8, also known as dark chocolate. This is a very traditional sort of bob shape. As you can see, it sort of hugs the face right here, kind of frames it out, has this long side swept bang, and a very steep gradient in the back here. It's very short. This reminds me a lot of something like Cody by Moore. Very similar in style here. The front on Contempo cut is 5.75 inches. The crown down is 6.25. The sides are 6.75. And the back is 4.25. And the nape is 2.25. So really short back there at the nape. I'm gonna go ahead and take Contempo cut off now so I can show you the cap construction. Contempo cut has a pre-cut temple to temple contoured lace front. It is transparent lace. It is a seamless transition between the left side monofilament side part and the lace front, so there's no seam there connecting the two parts. There's also a little bit of permatease on the open wefted portion of the cap, which is this part that's sort of closed and covered with that more opaque type lace. We've got open wefts on the sides and on the back, as well as an extended felt nape and Velcro adjusters. We've got felt here also on the ear tabs, which are closed and have a little bit of metal there on the sides. Make sure that they're nice and flush up against the side of your face, and they'll help your wig stay in place all day. This is a relatively stretchy wig, but I'd still say that it fits true to average. This is what that monofilament part looks like up close. This is a very safe, professional, natural, especially in this kind of hair color looking cut. So this has been the Contempo cut by Gabor in the color GL4-8. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com, that's CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching what we do here. We look forward to seeing you in the next review, and until then, have a great night. Bye-bye.